This is a next hard coconut.
Like more like the yellow.
More
Yellow,
like the...
yellow coconut. Yeah, dirty pot.
Yeah, that means that when time ready to score it.
Jamaican breakfast. Yeah, at the 5-star backyard.
Style, you know? Forget the fork.
And we have to eat the food.
Yeah, yellow parry. Because this is the coconut video we are going to do, you know?
So Parry is in this video. Jacor, you let the people them know?
Yellow Parry.
Yeah. In this video, these men are going to show you. We have 4 different types of coconut here. And they are going to demonstrate to you the different types from the jelly. We have the hard coconut, you have the yellow coconut and the dry coconut. So they're going to show, cut them, break them open and show you the difference and what they are for. So Alan, you go ahead and show them the first one and show them how Countryman cut.
Yeah, so this is the jelly. We chop and drink. So we're going to chop it, you know. Demonstrate.
Alright, so that means to say, as you start to cut the jelly, you're not supposed to go far. You're supposed to see the water run.
Yeah.
Alright,
You know,
so,
jelly, this,
alright.
the shell, not tough.
Alright.
Not hard, just soft, go through with the cutlass. When you cut it, so you know, you just drink.
Alright, so pass it around this how we curry, because I want our Uncle Murphy, I go drink it. You Uncle Murphy.
Yeah.
So you're going to demonstrate 2 and Curry go and demonstrate the other 2, right?
So this other one, this with sugar when time the hard coconut.
Hard coconut,
We
yeah.
eat with sugar when time we cut it.
Yeah, when we're hungry, country people, we're hungry. So show them the difference now between the difference. Show them the difference between the jelly ox where you cut right there. So, yeah.
This one
Yeah, show them.
green. And this
Yeah.
one have a little dryness, that means it's coming to dry.
Yeah, hold it up in the camera and show them.
Yeah. And the shell of it,
Yeah, tougher.
tougher.
Yeah.
So this will come to next to dry coconut. Yeah. But it not reach to it as it.
Alright,
You know? So when we chop it out, you know,
yeah.
you see the meat little tougher?
Yeah. Pull it out of the skin, make them see, chop it out of the skin, make them see all the whole thing is shit. Take it out, chop out the coconut out of the
Chop it
skin.
out of the skin.
Yeah.
Yeah, it kind of look harder for support, you know, because it's bone dry.
Yeah, it's not.
bone dry. Yeah, so you see it now?
Yeah.
Yes. So when you do it, so you know, you just bust it like this.
Alright, so these are the hard coconut.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You see the skin, you see the
Turn
meat,
it around, turn it around.
the meat of it. We shell it out.
Yeah,
and we
it's
heat
still
it.
on the little soft
Yeah.
side, yeah.
And we heat it with
With
the
sugar.
and them things there. And they're there. So this are
Yeah. So okay now, Parry, you see the difference with those 2. So Alan demonstrate 2. So in the next,
This is a next hard coconut.
like more like the yellow,
More
yellow,
like the-
yellow coconut.
call it yellow.
The yellow coconut.
This one can make the drop, should?
Yes.
That the one you boys.
The coconut drops and, yeah. Yellow coconut. Me tell them about it all the while when I do my videos, them in my cooking videos. So every man here, so you know, Parry, every countryman, you know how to do this, know how to chop them or something, you know. Once you're born and go a country, you know how to do this.
Know how to deal with it.
Yeah, man.
It's a learning process.
Take a lot. You know anybody who born and grow a country, Curry, can do this? Any man?
Yes, ma'am.
Eh?
Man, in the country can't climb coconut tree. Can't climb no tree.
Oh,
Man, in the
God.
country can make a good make up a good
Wood fire.
Fire for the cook one.
Lord, that bad curry, not true.
I tell you.
So we not really go through them a process here for the jelly, right?
No.
No. You just cut off the jelly, yeah.
The jelly head, and you drink the jelly.
Yeah, and if you have like a meat, you just cut a little
like
spoon. Yeah. Yeah.
And make a little thing out of the same jelly skin
Yeah.
and eat it.
I call it spoon.
Alright.
Alright, this is our next hard coconut.
But more harder, so we call
more
it yellow.
harder.
Yeah.
You call it yellow coconut.
Yeah, break it me then see Jackor. You hear it a sound different when you lick it? Stages, the coconut is in stages, Parry. Getting you educated on coconut if you don't know anything about coconut. Who don't know?
Yeah.
Don't say anything. Look at this. Show them it. Carry the yellow coconut come. Carry the yellow coconut come.
See the yellow.
No, the hard coconut. Turn the back of the hard coconut. This is the back of the hard coconut. Turn it around. Show them.
Yeah.
This is the back part of the hard coconut.
See it white?
Yeah. You see it? So this is where we eat with the sugar.
Yeah.
So now we're gonna get a piece of the other one, this yellow one here. We are gonna dig out piece and make you see and come back.
Now, this one now is the real dry coconut. This one you use it on
Hold it up, make them
rice.
see curry.
This one now you use it and cook your rice and peas. You can put it in your porridge. You can
No man, that one they not going in the porridge. The rice and peas and the rundown.
You can put it in your rundown and so forth. You understand?
And the green one
So,
going, yeah.
We are going to chop it out of the skin now.
Yeah.
And make you see the drier part of the coconut.
Alright. Also different movements in that. So you chop the dry one different.
You can
Wow.
chop it same way too, you know.
Okay.
You can chop it same way too.
Alright, you know, it's a stick for fish for them, you have to do it.
Yeah. But you know, you know, you know, try to organize that.
Oh, I have got to understand that to figure out.
It's gone far already, man. Wow, this is a different look. Different look, Jackor.
Yeah, man. Hallelujah.
Just get the
The
khaki.
drier khaki suit color.
Mind the finger decor. That look like it's a native too. Native dry coconut. For the rice and peas, for the coconut rundown and for the pakasa. So what the pakasa now, Alan?
Pakasa man is like some a boy a grate your coconut, strain him and put him in your pot and make a dumpling, a piece of yam and them something that make him boil long. You put your saltfish in him and your tomato and your onion and your scallion and them things.
A one pot thing.
Yeah, one
all
pot
in
thing,
one.
yeah.
Okay. So you have to go do one of them, one idea for them.
Yeah, man,
Rasta man thing.
Yeah, natural Rasta thing. Alright,
Yeah.
this is the dry coconut now. Where you put in your rice and peas. And you can make your all-in-one and cook and heat. You know what I mean? So we're going to break it and show the inside, the harder part inside.
Alright. Alright, Jackor, come up with them now.
This is the inside, the
Yeah.
harder part. You look at the coconut now, you can see it's harder. It's more tougher.
Well
So,
mature now.
Well mature now to do your rice and peas and individual.
Okay.
Understand?
Yeah.
Alright.
Alright, so there you have it, Paris. You see the hole and you can drink your water out of it same way. And then, gentlemen, I want to say, when we cook rice and peas in a Jamaica originally, we put sugar in it to make it sweet.
Yes, if we sometime
If you want.
is to put a little that really not to really make it sweet. to put a little flavor.
No, but what about the coconut? Does it
The coconut itself give you a flavor of
sweet?
sweetness.
Yeah, yeah.
You understand?
But as if no people moving nowadays to put in sugar.
Yeah.
But what I'm saying, back then in the days when our parents
no
them,
sugar.
We never use
no
sugar.
sugar is the sweetness.
No
Because
sugar.
some of these coconuts,
Sweetness.
Yeah.
it's if you break piece of this now and start to eat it, it's sweet.
Sweet like sugar. You
So
don't want
all you
nothing
have to
sweet.
do is put the coconut milk strong.
Strong. Grate your coconut.
You know?
You grate your coconut
And boil him down.
and
make
then
him
you
well
juice
boil.
it.
Yeah.
After you juice it down,
You know,
Then-
juice it water, you know, it have
No,
to
you
strong.
juice it very
So maybe I'll 2 or 3 of this for a nice
right.
like a pot of rice and peas.
All right.
So as Rasta man, uno endorse to put the sugar in the rice?
No, me no.
Oh.
No.
Natural
coconut.
Yeah.
Naturally coconut juice.
You never put, if me boil rice,
Understand.
you never put sugar in it.
Oh.
Because normally at the restaurant, people them normally use them sugar
Kind of them know if you cook rice and
because majority people don't really understand.
They don't understand that the
about
coconut, so the coconut have this natural
coconut
sweetness.
having everything.
Yeah.
The thing is this, you have to make a coconut well boiled to get the sweetness out of it. You can't just boil your peas and then you throw in your coconut juice. And as
The
you boil
coconut
it,
juice have to
yeah,
come to boil
have
to
come
maturity, yeah. To get out the sugar,
and you
yeah.
put the oil on top.
Ah, that is when it come and curve around the rice and peas and you see how
Even so you're cooking, you're boiling your peas. You wait till the peas reach to a mention of half boiling.
half boil, then you put
Then
in
you
your
throw
coconut juice
into it.
and then them go
Then
gel
them go
together.
Turn together and boil the peas
boil
together.
them.
Yeah, that's when you get the sweetness.
Out of the
Out
coconut.
of the coconut.
Yeah,
You
yeah.
understand?
You see the living coconut oil come out of it.
Yeah, yeah. And this is the one that we use to make the coconut oil too.
Yes.
Yeah.
This is the real
So
one.
them are going to want to know one idea for show them how to do the coconut oil, you know, the natural 100% coconut oil.
Yes, man.
We are going to do it for them one idea. Yeah, all right.
Portion of coconut.